CodeNext is the leading market player in the ADC industry. We provide automation solutions in traceability space. We provide value to our end customers using 42Gears solutions also for managing their inventory and warehousing and as well as in the manufacturing segment. IT, if you specifically ask about the customers, this thing, IT people and the people who use our handle terminals in the warehouse, they feel happy by using this 42Gears MDM so that their work is getting eased. The problem here is that sending the application data to the end point to the client is very difficult using the offline method. So by using the MDM 42Gears application, they were able to translate the application in fraction of seconds. That is the value-added feature in customers too. Generally, when I say, okay, if I talk about SureMDM in front of customers, few people are not aware yet actually, but once we explain about the MDM benefits, they are able to listen to it. To make MDM aware, same like marketing campaign is only one thing. The reach to all the major clients has to be there actually.